Perimeter is the distance around the outside of any two-dimensional figure. We use perimeter often in trades and in tasks in everyday life. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of any two-dimensional figure. We use perimeter often in trades and tasks in everyday life. For example, say you own a corner lot and your backyard is shaped like this. You want to build a fence around the yard. To know how much lumber to buy, you need to know the distance around the outside, the perimeter. The perimeter of any quadrilateral or four-sided figure is the sum of all the sides. P equals A plus B plus C plus D. The perimeter of this yard is 19 meters plus 27 meters plus 42 meters plus 35 meters. The perimeter is 123 meters. Some types of quadrilaterals have sides that are the same, so you can take a shortcut. For example, both a square and a rhombus have 4 equal sides. This means you do not have to measure and add each side separately. Instead of P equals A plus B plus C plus D, you can use P equals 4 times the measure of one side, or P equals 4S, because they're all the same. Some other shapes also have sides in common. A rectangle and parallelogram both have equal opposite sides. A kite shape also has 2 sets of equal sides. Here's an example. A rectangular room has a length of 12 feet and a width of 9 feet. These 2 sides are equal, and these 2 sides are equal. Instead of P equals A plus B plus C plus D, you can use P equals 2 times the measure of this side, which is the length, plus 2 times the measure of these 2 sides, which is the width. So in this example, P equals 2L plus 2W. P equals 2 times 12 plus 2 times 9. So P equals 24 plus 18. The perimeter is 42 feet. As with quadrilaterals, the perimeter of a triangle is calculated by adding the sides. P equals A plus B plus C. The perimeter of this triangle is P equals 2 plus 3.1 plus 1.7 centimeters. The perimeter is 6.8 centimeters. Some types of triangles have sides that are the same, so you can take a shortcut. For example, we know that the sides and angles of an equilateral triangle are all the same. So instead of P equals A plus B plus C, you can use P equals 3 times the measure of one side, because they're all the same. Another type of triangle is an isosceles triangle, which has 2 sides and angles that are the same. Since sides A and B are the same, instead of P equals A plus B plus C, you can use P equals 2A plus C.